I read that in history, before electricity, or before Facebook had memories, or before the true crime mysteries, mamas and their babies. Think about the 80s, they made friends with other ladies who had their own babies too. And they all talked to their neighbors, felt safe with other strangers, didn't